guys, so for today's video I'm going to be trying to do twists with my hair. I just want to see first how my whole head would look with just twisting them, and also when I take them out, like how the pattern looks. Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. I haven't been doing anything spontaneous with my hair, and I thought, let's just see. Look at this. Yeah, so as you can see, my hair desperately needs to be done right now. So as I interlock them, I'm going to be doing the twist. I did get these small rubber bands, and that's what I'm gonna need. So let's see the process. I'm finally done with my hair. I am covered in oil right now for some reason, but it is done. Of course my hair got shorter because I twisted, but it looks so weird. Like when my hair was actually short, I didn't mind it because that's all I had, but now that I know I have more and it just twisted and it got shorter, it feels weird. But honestly, because usually I have those two things here, I don't know what style I'm gonna do with it yet, or if I should just leave it like that. But I'm gonna try to see if I can make this work, because yes, but my hair's all done. As you see, I can't wait to take them out. I'll probably do a video on that of me just see how it looks. If when I do get to do it, I'm not in a rush, but I will definitely post the update on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. But yeah, so I'm excited right now, and it wasn't so hard to do either, because it just, the rubber bands, some of them have popped up already while I'm doing my hair, so I gotta keep, make sure that they stay. Honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it for, but yeah, so I'm going camping soon, so I'll probably take it out before camp. But this is how my hair looks. I like it actually. I just don't like the fact that I can't really do much with my hair right now. But yeah, it didn't take me long as well. And of course, I'm happy because even when I take this off, I will still have my hair done, But yes. But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment what you thought about the video, and if you have locks, have you done this style? Okay, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.